Hi everybody, thank you for visiting my Patreon support video for the Don't Touch My Coffee YouTube channel. I was conflicted about seeking Patreon support as I don't get paid for anything but my day job. And by becoming a patron, you can help keep me honest and consistently making better videos for you. Patreon is like Kickstarter, but different in a major way. Instead of trying to fund a large amount for a product development or launch, Patreon allows you to donate small amounts or tips to your favorite artists for the new videos that they create, or for just a flat amount each month. You can donate as much or as little as you want. It's fully customizable, and you can even cancel it anytime you like. Now, why should you care about this channel? I'm known to some as the vacuum guy of Reddit. I'm Reddit's go-to guy for everything vacuum related. I'm a technician, store manager, and salesperson for one of the largest dealers in the Southwest. I'm certified for warranty repair for Dyson, Miele, Riccar, Sebo, Royal, and many more. The reason you can trust my opinions on vacuums and their maintenance is because I don't get paid any kind of commission. I also don't get paid by any manufacturer for any reason whatsoever. I am here for one reason, and that's to make your life suck better. I'm going to give you tips and tricks and how-tos and any vacuum advice I can to make sure that your vacuum works at its best. I will help you understand how to use your tools and get around the mechanical bits in your vacuum. Patreon support allows me to create the best videos that I can. I will create customized videos for specific vacuums and maintenance issues, and for my supporters, I will offer early viewing before the wider YouTube audience gets to see my videos, and I'll even offer Patreon exclusive videos. I offer several rewards to my supporters, and you can see what you get for your money by visiting my Patreon page. If you have any suggestions for rewards, feel free to drop me a line. If my videos have helped you at all, please like each one and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions about your vacuum or what kind of vacuum is right for you, leave me a comment or even a video reply. Thanks for visiting, and I do hope you'll get lots of use from the videos that I make for you in the future. I appreciate you stopping by my channel, and while I may not want you to touch my coffee, if you're kind to become a supporter, I'll be happy to share it with you. Thank you very much. Take care.